hope you're having a fantastic week, because I am. For the family joining me again, welcome. And for those who are new here, my name is Mumbi Chege. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something different, which is an apartment tour. And I'm going to do a review about it because I've been staying here for a while, so I decided to just bring this information to you. I know it's going to be helpful, especially for guys who will be coming into the country. That is Kenya, because I'm located in Kenya. If you're coming for any business work, this is a great place to stay. And if you also want to do staycations or home away from home in Nairobi, this is a place to come. Yeah, so let's get into it. So this is how the entrance looks like, and once you open, you can immediately notice that it's an open floor space. And on my left side, this is where the dining set is, and I love that they used a feature wall. Not a feature wall, they use this kind of wood wall to divert your eyes into looking straight to the sitting room instead of walking in and seeing straight the dining area to where the washroom area is, which I bet that's a clever way of designing the place. Come on and see how the dining set looks like. This is a 4-seater set. I like how they chose greens, which is a soft color, and it's one of my favorite colors. And also the mirror, definitely it makes the illusion of making the space look bigger than it is. So let's go to the next one. We are at the living space, and first of all, I love how you can just walk around. There's enough room to walk around, which makes me feel very comfortable. Also, the curtains are the same color that are in the bedroom, which works perfectly well in this space. So about this couch, it's a 4-seater couch and an L-shaped it is. Yes, I love the color of it. Soft colors, grays, matching with the dining set. I love this table. It's very functional. First of all, it's a coffee table which has been maximized to function on this area. Like, first of all, I realized that they really went on with functionality. If you've noticed, the coffee table and the console table, which is right behind the couch, it has drawers where you can store your books if you're staying here, or your laptop, whatever things you choose to store there. It works properly. And then on this other side, we have a TV. This is a 32-inch TV, and they provide Wi-Fi and also DSTV. I have this very comfortable chair, which is, I don't know, is this luminous green or yellow? Green? Please comment down in the comments section below. I don't know what color this is. For the eyes, it looks perfectly good. It gives color, because if you've noticed that everything, the colors here are soft colors, the grays and the whites. So this one at least gives it, gives it life. And it has a very nice pillow, branded their name, which is Kiluwa Business Meets Luxury. Yeah. So what else have I talked about? We have the TV stand. Yeah, this is quite long. I don't know if you can notice from the video. It's quite long, and the handles are really getting into me. Like, I love the leather handles. They are so unique. So we are in the kitchen. Yeah. So let's just go straight into it. First of all, the counters are matching the floor. And another thing you've noticed is we have inbuilt fridge and oven and a microwave. If you're asking about, if you don't know where the fridge is, this is where the fridge is, which is very interesting. And another thing is the storage areas also on this other side. So let's check. Oh, how do I even open this? This used to open. Definitely. No, there must be another way to open this. Yeah. So where you can store, maybe if you're drinking wine or you have your glasses or whatever things you want to store, because because remember I mentioned people who come to stay here, they stay more than like from 4 months and above. And maybe I guess you can store your wine or instead of having your candle here, place it there. I don't know, whatever things you decide to put inside here. And another one, I haven't opened this one yet. That's why I'm trying to figure out from which side. I haven't used them. Or okay. You can't open. I actually thought these are like more storage space. From the video, you can actually think this is a storage area, right? Yeah, and they also provide utensils for you. There are like cups, and yeah, that's how it's supposed to open. You just press in and it's open. I don't know why the other one was not opening. Yeah, this is another storage area. Fantastic. Yeah. And then, yeah, it's quite messy because I'm cooking. Let me just put this back where it belongs. So there's another room. Oh, it's quite dark. Let me switch it on. Now, this is where the power source is. You have your heater, you have your gas, and and a pantry on this other wall. Yes. So let's go to the balcony. And you are open to a very nice view. You can tell this is a central area. Right here on the balcony, because I'm at the sitting room balcony, I can see your center and offices down here. And there's a lot of noise, you can tell, because we are near a road. And what else? And I wish they would have provided a seat outside this balcony. I don't want to be staying inside the house all the time. But when I look at other houses, I'm seeing chairs. I don't know whether I think maybe I was supposed to ask for one, I guess. But I didn't. So we've come to my favorite section, which is the bathroom. The bathroom, first of all, as you can see, what you clearly see from the video is the lighting, which is perfect for this. I am in love with warm lighting, which makes me feel good about it and at peace. The other thing is the shower. As you can see, the water comes here with a lot of pressure, and sisikiage kama nataka kutoka kwa bathroom, and hakukosekanangi maji huku, which is perfect. In this apartment, you can clearly see that they're trying to make the house or the apartment more functional in terms of storage, and this is one of them. And let me just show you how this one opens. You can see there's no handle. Just watch. Voila, and it goes back. Simple, clean, chic. So I decided to use this place to store my hair products and my facial product and my toothbrush. Yeah, and they provide also a dustbin and a bathrobe, which is back here behind the door. It's hanged over here. The bathrobe, which is changed twice in a week, and then you have this rack you can use to place your towel. Another thing, because there's a swimming pool, they definitely provided you with a dryer. A dryer. Yeah. I guess that's it for the bathroom. Let's move to the next space. And we are in the bedroom. So, as I mentioned earlier, I've been staying here for a while, so I can literally tell you what worked for me for the period of time that I've stayed, because I'm doing the review, let me know, like the last days of staying here. So I wanted to make sure, like, when I stay here, I experience everything, and then now I can be able to explain to you my experience, you know. First of all, when you walk in, the room is quite spacious. It's not cluttered, I love that. And you are provided with a chair. You are also provided with an iron board and an iron box, and you have a very sleek bed. A very sleek bed. Let me use that. First of all, the top here matches with the curtain. I love that, and they've decided to go with brown shades, very neutral colors, and I love it. And you can easily play safe, and it can look as simple as you want and as chic as you want it to look like. Yeah. First of all, the wardrobes. These wardrobes are gorgeous. Like I've never seen such wardrobes. Mostly when you're buying wardrobes, you will find them the kawaida mbaos, the kawaida wood. One thing about this one is from the touch of it, it's so soft, and I don't know what material this is because I can't actually tell whether they've used wallpaper or wood. I actually don't know what this is, or ply. I don't know what this is, honestly. But it's so beautiful. And another thing about it is the handles. They decided to go with very long brass handles. Let me just show you how it looks inside. That's how the wardrobe looks like. And then they also provide you with a safe. And then we have the second part. Let me just show you. Voila! I have two favorite parts of this wardrobe. First of all, the handles, which are very unique and different, which I love. And then my last favorite part is this, the mirror. Like guys, come on, an inbuilt mirror. I love it. I love it. This is actually when I walked in. I remember I was like, there's no mirror. You can actually travel with a big mirror, you know? And I consider that for you. And the fact that it's inbuilt is just a wow factor for me, because first of all, I wouldn't lie that actually I've never seen something like this. I have never. This is my first time, and it is. I'm in love. Actually, I think I'm gonna copy this, especially if you have a small space. I think this is actually the perfect go-to, as in, yeah. Though one mirrors make the house look bigger, so you can decide however you want to style your house. It's up to you. I'm in love with this mirror, by the way. I'm in love. I don't know whether I'm the first one. This is my first time seeing something like this. We come to this section. This is a slide door. Let me show you. Well, you can open this side and also on the other side, you know, and you open to the good view that they offer. You get to admire tall buildings and the surrounding and the beautiful area in Kilimani. Yeah, let me come with me. Yeah, so finally I got time to sit on this chair. I've noted down some things that I got to experience that actually were very helpful to me. One thing is, directly as I'm seated here, I can see Yaya Center. Yaya Center is a shopping mall that you can actually walk there, which is a 5-minute walk. And then on this other side, if you're driving, you have a car wash just right next to you. It's opposite the apartments. You have a car wash. You also have a 24-hour chemist. You also have, if you drink alcoholic drinks, that is, there's a wines and spirit just right opposite. Another thing, if you love jogging, you can just jog around because there's security around you. You will feel secure because, first of all, you've got to remember that there's a police station just on the next street. Yeah, so security around here is good, starting from the gates to the surrounding. Yeah. Another thing is, if you want to order food, they actually allow door deliveries. In terms of service, I think I've mentioned in the video, but I can repeat it again. Sorry. They do cleaning twice in a week. So according to me, when I came in, I was told to choose which 2 days I want them to come in and clean. And when they clean, that is, they change your towels, they change your bathrobe, they change your towels. Oh, I mentioned towels, sorry. They wash your dishes, they clean everywhere, they change your linens, and what else? What else do they do? Yeah, that's it. Laundry, they charge 1,200 Kenya shilling, and it doesn't matter what amount of clothes they're washing for you, and they use washing machines to do that. If you want to do it yourself, you're also allowed to, because they provide washing machines at the ground floor. Now, on to the amenities found on the facility, there's a swimming pool, but the swimming pool is on the ground floor where the gym is as well. According to their layout, they decided to put a restaurant on the 15th floor. So I don't know whether it's going to be accessible only to the guys staying here or even guys from outside, but it's still under construction. The restaurant is not done. Yeah, so in the near future, guys visiting this place might get it ready. And I think there is a sauna on the ground floor as well, and they're also coming up with a salon and a barber that's near the sauna. So everything is on the ground level. Yeah, so this marks the end of the video. I hope this video was quite helpful to you. If you're planning to visit Kenya, I would actually recommend this place. If you're from Kenya, a staycation would work very good here, or go somewhere away from home. This is actually a nice place to come. And I don't know whether I mentioned this is a 1-bedroom apartment. They also have a 2-bedroom apartment. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my video, and remember as well to spread some love. Yeah, be blessed, and bye.